broccoli soup. It's simple, it's clean, it's delicious, it's vegan. Okay, so we're going to need a large pot. I'm going to be starting this off with some olive oil. You could use a different oil if you want. Above medium heat, we're going to drop in 2 cups of onions, 3 cups of potatoes peeled, and then 5 or 6 cups of broccoli. Now I also put quite a lot of the stalk in as well. There's some lovely sort of goodness in there. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, salt, black pepper, some garlic. I'm going to add in about a tablespoon. You can adjust that if you want. Okay, we're going to let this go for about 5 minutes or so, just to kind of give it a head start there. I'm now going to be adding water. You could add some stock if you want, but water works just as well. I've got 3 litres of water. We're now going to boil this away until all of the vegetables are super soft. Do you know what I mean? Kind of baby food stuff. Then I'm going to liquidize this, get it nice and smooth. Here we go. Now if you wanted, add a fresh herb in here or something like that, even maybe a touch of coconut milk. I'm keeping it very, very straight. It's very easy, it's delicious. I hope you enjoy that. You keep safe, you keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.